Hi everybody, in this video I'll let you guys know Fidelity Investment Brokerage Account. Now, Fidelity Investment Brokerage Account allows individuals to buy and sell a variety of investment like stocks, bonds, mutual funds and ETFs as well. Fidelity offers the Fidelity Account, a full-featured brokerage account with online trading capabilities and tools for active traders as well. Now here, you have to understand what is actually a Fidelity Brokerage Account. It is a brokerage account. Now, a brokerage account is an investment account where you could buy and sell various investments as well. Likewise, Fidelity Brokerage Account allows you to invest in a stock, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, and more as well. You could also, and Fidelity provides tools like streaming market data and enhanced trading capabilities for active traders as well. Now here, if you go to this link, that is fidelity.com/trading/the-fidelity-account, this is going to take you to their official page. So over here you could come and go ahead and click on the open brokerage account, and you could start with the creation of your account. So basically what you have to do is you simply want to go ahead and make sure to follow all these terms and conditions, read all the instructions and all that. And when you've actually done it, so you should be able to open that up, explore the features and tools available. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.